Where does all your money go? If you've ever opened your bank app and felt personally attacked, same. Let's fix that. In this video, I'll show you the best budgeting apps of 2025 and exactly who they're perfect for. Why budgeting apps are a game changer. Budgeting apps make it easy to see your money in one place, track where it's going, and help you save without doing the mental math every day. If you've got your phone, you've got a budget. In 2025, budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. I've found 5 awesome apps that can actually make it easy, and today I'll show you how they work. 1. YNAB. You need a budget. Great for people who love control. Zero-based budgeting. Every dollar has a job. Syncs with your bank. Helps you break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Tip. Use their Age Your Money matrices, a game changer for saving. 2. Rocket Money. Great for canceling unused subscriptions, tracks bills, shows spending trends, even negotiates bills for you. Set spending limits for categories like dining or shopping. It'll alert you when you're close. 3. Goodbudget. Best for envelope-style budgeting. Manual entry equals more awareness. Syncs across multiple phones. Ideal for couples. Tip. Use their debt tracking feature if you're tackling multiple balances. 4. Credit Karma Money. Great for tracking spending. YOW. Monitoring credit. Replaces Mint in 2025. Shows cash flow, trends, and smart savings insights. Tip. Use the personalized tips to reduce spending based on your actual habits. 5. PocketGuard. Best for people who say, "Can I afford this today?" Shows your safe to spend amount, automatically tracks income and bills. Tip. Customize categories to better match your lifestyle. Quick recap. What's best for you? Want full control? Go with YNAB. Hate subscriptions? Rocket Money. Prefer manual awareness? Goodbudget. Want credit? GRIA1. Cash tools. Credit Karma Money. Need quick answers? PocketGuard. Budgeting doesn't mean giving things up. It means knowing where your money goes and taking back control. Try just one of these apps this week and see what changes. Comment below with your favorite budgeting app or the one you're gonna try. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more money tips in small, doable steps. You got this.